So this is a hard question, and we'll start by changing this to base 2 plus x, and it will become clear why that is the best approach. And this would be 2 plus x of 5. This piece is 1, and this whole thing is equal to log 3, 5. So if I swap them, and that becomes 1 over log 3, 5. If I apply the exponent rule, then 2 plus x to the power of 1 over log 3, 5 is 5, which means 2 plus x is 5 to the power of log 3, 5, or x is 5 log 3, 5 minus 2. So I have an expression explicitly for x. So that was kind of the goal, because in the beginning I was doing other manipulations, and that's what makes this question hard. You don't have the clear approach right away. And of course, in the exam, you can't be playing with multiple approaches. You just simply don't have that luxury. But what they really wanted you to do is to get an explicit expression for x and then estimate. So then the question is, how do we estimate this log 3? If I just write log 3, 5 separately, call that y. This means 3 to the y is 5. And we know 3 to the 1 is 3, and 3 to the 2 is 9. So we know y has to be between 1 and 2, because 5 falls between 3 and 9. So that exponent is between 1 and 2. So if that exponent is 1, this would be 5 to the 1 minus 2. X would be 3. And if that exponent is 2, x would be 5 squared minus 2, which is 25, minus 2, which is 23, which means x has to fall between 3 and 23, and that's right here, choice D. So I do want to emphasize it's a hard question because you can go in all sorts of tangent, do manipulations, maybe change this to base 5 or change that to base 3. I think that's what I got wrapped up. If you can see that this was the best way directly, well, then that's great. You'd probably get this question under exam conditions, but I think I probably won't. That is my sense. So to summarize, the answer is D.